And the more sales tips, we need to understand who is the decision maker.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. And also this is same as same to the members.
Um, so regarding capital, of course you need money, more money to keep on work to keep the business ongoing. So
Mhm.
when it comes to sales, what has always been the important aspects when it comes for you as a startup CEO? And
Mhm.
what are your 5 tips to build an effective strategy for a steady
Mm,
sales base?
I see, I see. So maybe this is the same as same to the members, all members. But the first things is must be a good listener.
Mm,
Okay. So to be a good listener, they have to maybe same answer, but they have to be curious uh, about what clients is doing, and what they try to do in the future. What issue they have. So always must be curious and be a good listener. This is very important, and more like in detail things. We need to understand their pain. Yeah. After listening, their issues. Sometimes their story, their talking is a mix of the fact, opinion, fact, opinion. So once you listen well, and you have to think, okay, what is the key issues? You know, we call it root cause. We have a many cause, for the problems, but what is the root cause? Yeah. So we need to understand about this. And the more sales tips, we need to understand who is the decision maker.
yeah.
Yes, yeah. And also this is same as same to the members, but I always be a quick response.
Mm,
Uh-huh. Whenever they ask question, I answer quickly. If I need some time to think, okay, I will reply, okay, can you give me 3 hours, or can I answer to you until the 6 o'clock today, or something like this. So they can proceed their work based on my schedule, right? So I don't want to stop. I don't want to be a bottleneck of the hardworking members or clients.
okay. Um, thank you for.
Yeah, that's it. Sorry.
Okay. Thank you.